now we are going to transfer our popcorn. Oh my god. Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your girl Mama? What's up? If you are new to my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. Please kindly join the family by touching that red sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified anytime I upload new videos. To my returning subscribers, may God bless you all, and Merry Christmas to all of you in advance. Yeah guys, I have to remove the voice of the video because of my baby was just crying and disturbing, so the video, I don't want them to give me a copyright. Yes guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make popcorn. I have here with me the popcorn, 500 gram. I'm going to use butter and vegetable oil for this popcorn. Yeah, very easy to achieve, very easy without no stress. Yes guys, so let's go straight to the business of this video. What you are going to do is to just add your pots on a low heat on the fire, and add your butter and your vegetable oil. Yes, and let it heat up just a bit with a low heat. Then after then you will now add your popcorn. Yes, you will just add your popcorn inside, and that is all. Okay, and that is all. Then you cover it and let it pop up. Yes, let it pop up, keep coming out. How you will know that your popcorn is ready is when you don't hear any sound of the pop up again. Then your popcorn is ready. Very simple and easy to achieve without no stress. Yeah, so keep watching guys and see how it comes out at the end of this video. Code. So that is it guys, and at the same time I want to wish you guys happy Christmas in advance. Yes guys, my popcorn is ready. As you can see, oh my god, it's very hot. You can see how the smoke is coming out. Very yummy guys. Yes, if you haven't tried this recipe, please give it a try and you will not regret it. Yeah, so guys, I believe I have come to the end of this video. This is all I have for you for today's video. Hope you enjoy watching, and don't forget to share my video. If you have any questions, drop it at the comment section down below. Please don't forget to give this video a like also. See you in my next video. Yes guys, as of now I am out, and Merry Christmas to all of you in advance. Bye.